Dehumidifiers or DHUs in pharmaceutical plants regulate humidity levels in various manufacturing processes and storage areas, and are essential in maintaining the quality and integrity of pharmaceutical products. In granulation, DHUs prevent clumping or sticking of granules during drying. In sterile manufacturing and packaging areas, DHUs prevent growth of microorganisms and moisture-related damage to raw material, finished products, and packaging material. Dehumidification systems utilize a desiccant wheel to control humidity. Cold saturated air is directed through the wheel, where moisture is absorbed by the desiccant material. The emerging warm and dry air is cooled to the desired temperature and supplied to the process. The humidity-laden desiccant wheel gradually rotates into a second, smaller air stream which is heated using steam at 3.5 bar. This hot reactivation air eliminates moisture from the desiccant, and the regenerated desiccant once again resumes its moisture absorption function. As the steam supply is controlled using an on-off valve, the hot air temperatures fluctuate, resulting in inefficient regeneration of the desiccant and reducing its absorption capability. Thermodynamic steam traps commonly installed on DHUs are unable to effectively evacuate condensate. As a result, reactivation air does not reach the desired temperature. As a solution, the trap is bypassed, but this results in loss of steam. Common issues faced include fluctuating air temperatures, water hammering due to condensate logging, inconsistent regeneration of the desiccant, higher steam consumption. Forbes Marshall provides a complete solution designed to address these issues. This includes QualStim, our innovative, digitally enabled integrated control valve with patented technology enabling precise pressure reduction and temperature control, with built-in steam measurement and complete condensate and flash steam recovery. Our unique two-orifice float trap ensures complete condensate evacuation, preventing steam loss caused by open bypasses and water hammer. Additionally, the integrated health monitoring system ensures greater than 95% steam trap uptime. The holistic solution ensures optimum process parameters, lowest energy consumption, reduced operator dependency, no coil failures,